Hey Freedom Gorillas, if you want the speed of a red dot for up close, but you still want real usable holdovers that go out to several hundred yards, the new Holosun ARO-EVO with the SPR reticle is going to be a great choice. The SPR reticle stands for Special Purpose Reticle, and it's kind of replacing the Holosun MRS reticle specifically for the Holosun ARO-EVO. This is the only optic with this new special purpose reticle. The MRS reticle uses a 2 MOA dot and 65 MOA circle. The SPR reticle is still using that 65 MOA circle, but now it's a 1.5 MOA dot and then 1 MOA BDC dots right underneath that, going out to 300, 400, and 500 yards. There's also a ranging feature that lets you gauge those distances out to 500 yards as well. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the SPR reticle. We're going to talk about everything you need to know how to use it. And we also have a 3x magnifier and a 6x magnifier, so you're able to see the differences on what that looks like for those two specific magnifiers. And in today's video, we are using the red SPR reticle, but this also comes in green and gold. Everything on today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com. We'll start with the basics. At the center of the SPR is a 1.5 MOA dot. That's your precision aiming point for close and medium ranges, and it's factory set to 25 yard zero. Below the center dot is a stack set of 3 1 MOA BDC dots that are calibrated as reference holdovers for 5.56 M193 ball at roughly 300, 400, and 500 yards. There are horizontal ranging lines tied to the BDC stack. Each horizontal line represents an 18-inch wide target at its respective distance, so you can quickly estimate which BDC dot to use. Surrounding the whole reticle is a 65 MOA outer ring that gives you a fast sight picture in close quarters and helps your eye find the center dot quickly. Like the MRS reticle, the SPR reticle is also going to let you toggle through 4 different configurations. You're going to hold that minus button to get through all the configurations, but basically it is a dot, dot plus ring with BDC, and dot plus ring with BDC and ranging lines. This reticle was designed with the magnifier use in mind. We'll run the same target and holds with a 3x magnifier and a 6x magnifier so you can compare what that looks like. But without the magnifier, the SPR still functions fine for quick engagements, and I'll show what that looks like too. To show that the 1.5 MOA dot is accurate at 100 yards, we're going to shoot at a small gong.
And here we have 300 yards. We set up another target, and we're going to show you the ranging reticle, obviously. And here is the ranging reticle at 300. You could see the target down there. I don't have it lined up perfectly, obviously, but you could get an idea for how close that is to the size of a man-sized target for ranging. That is really accurate and really impressive. All right, here we are at 400 yards. We just set up the target. So we're going to show you guys the ranging reticle. Here's the reticle now at 400 yards. You can see that silhouette target down there. Again, it does a great job. They are very accurate stadia lines and perfect for ranging.
Okay, and here we are at 500 yards. All right, this one was like next to impossible to record on camera, but it is there. It's still usable. The 6X was hard to record too, so here's just what the 3X looks like. And there's everything you need to know about the SPR reticle. If you have any questions about this reticle in particular, leave a comment below. We'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching.